Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export passwords from Proton Pass in 2026. If you want to back up your saved logins or move them to another password manager, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Proton Pass on your browser, desktop app, or mobile app and log in to your account. Next, go to the Settings or Security section from the main dashboard. Now look for the Export Passwords option and click on it to begin the export process. Next, you may be asked to verify your identity, so confirm your password or complete two-factor authentication if required. Now choose the export format, usually a CSV file, which is compatible with most password managers and browsers. Next, click the Export button and wait while Proton Pass generates your password file. Now download the exported file to your device and choose a secure location to save it. Next, open the file to make sure your passwords have been exported correctly. Now keep the file safe because it contains sensitive login information. Avoid sharing it or storing it in unsecured locations. Finally, delete the export file when it's no longer needed to protect your accounts from unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export passwords from Proton Pass. Your login data is now safely backed up and ready for transfer if needed. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.